Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my grilled Filipino styled chicken, also known as chicken Inasal. Okay, real easy to do and heaps of flavour. Here I've got around about 3/4 of a cup of banana ketchup or banana sauce and 1 cup of a good quality soy. Now the banana ketchup you can buy from an Asian supermarket and other supermarkets around as well. 3 tablespoons of sugar that goes in. I'm also going to add in a 1/4 cup of coconut vinegar, and if you don't have coconut vinegar, just use a bit of lemon juice. And I'm also going to add in a 1/4 cup of peanut oil. Right, that can go straight in just like that. Alright, we're getting there with our marinade. We've got a few more ingredients. I'm going to add in around about 4 cloves of garlic, freshly minced or freshly crushed, just like that. We want a real strong garlic flavour on this one. It gives this dish a real mad bite. I'm going to add in about a tablespoon's worth of freshly ground black pepper, and we are going to use some chicken thighs. So I'm going to use around about just a bit over 1/2 kilo of chicken thighs. Cut them in half like I'm doing there. You can cut them into cubes and put them onto skewers later on if you want, but I'm going to do it this way. Give all of that chicken a really good stir through, just like that, okay? And every 15 minutes or so, give it a little bit of a stir. I'm going to marinate that for about an hour, and then I'm going to add in the magic ingredient, 1 cup of Sprite. That is the magic ingredient to this dish. It tenderizes the chicken and gives it a really nice flavour. Put that straight in, just like that, and give it a stir through from time to time. And once the carbonation starts to wear off, I'm going to cover that with a little bit of cling film and put that into the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or even better, overnight. Alright, I'm going to come back the next day and I'm going to make my basting sauce. I've got about 1/3 of a cup of banana ketchup in there, and I'm also going to add in about 3 cloves of fresh garlic, 2 tablespoons worth of the coconut vinegar, that can go straight in, a tablespoon's worth of peanut oil that goes in, and we're also going to add in a tablespoon of soy sauce that can go into our little basting sauce as well. And to finish it off, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of fish sauce. Okay, you might think it sounds really salty. It's not. It just works out beautiful with all those sugars and everything else that we've added in. Give that a mix through, put it aside for about an hour and let all those flavors develop. In the meantime, I've taken my chicken out of the refrigerator and just let that come back up to a room temperature. Alright, you can see the colour of that marinade has penetrated that chicken skin beautifully. Now in the meantime, I've already started off my my grill, and I'm actually using charcoal and briquettes. I'm going to cook this over real wood. Alright, so lay your chicken down, and because of the oil in the marinade, the chicken won't stick. And the other reason is that is a stainless steel grill, believe it or not. Okay, so just add your chicken down. We're going to cook that for around about 4 to 5 minutes, or until it's cooked sort of halfway through. Right, I'm going to do these in batches, of course. My little barbecue isn't that big. Going to add in some of our basting sauce straight over the top, just like that. Just use a little brush and give that a little brush over with our basting sauce while we are starting to cook this halfway through. And that basting sauce has an amazing taste. Right, we're going to flip that chicken over once again at that halfway mark, and you cook the chicken the way you like. I like my chicken cooked pretty well. It's more for a safety sake than anything else. We don't want salmonella special. Okay, so we can now baste our other side, which has already been grilled, and as you can see, we've got some real nice colour on that. Alright, so just baste that through just like that, and once they're cooked through, which will take you around about 8 minutes in total, we can take that off the charcoal and put that aside. As I said, I'm going to do this in batches. Mrs. KP is doing a handheld camera person tonight, and look at that beautiful charring we got. I'm going to put down more of my chicken. As I said, I'm doing this in a couple of batches. Baste away on the first, and that is our basting sauce. I'm going to put that into the microwave for around about 3 minutes, and that will kill off any impurities or anything nasty. Right, time to serve up. Bit of rice, and just put your Filipino style grilled chicken or barbecued chicken straight on top, just like that. Really nice and easy, and I'll tell you what, the flavors are just incredible and the smells are incredible in the KP's kitchen tonight. Put a little bit of that basting sauce that we have reduced and killed off any of the nasties straight over the top, just like that, and before you know it, you've got KP's Filipino style grilled chicken, also known as Inasal's chicken. Serve that up with a little bit of salad of your choice, just like that, or a bit of a slaw, and you have got a really beautiful meal. Anyway, love to see you try and make this one at home. It takes a little bit of time, but the flavors are worth it, and that street vibe flavor is definitely worth it cooking it over the coals. Love to see you make this one at home. Leave a comment. I love reading, love responding to them. Hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up, and share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. In the meantime, I'm off to eat my Filipino style grilled chicken, and I will catch you next time. Bye!